Hey everyone, welcome back to Nim's Adventures to Financial Freedom. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm glad to have you along for the journey. I'm here to share my ongoing mission to reach $10,000 per month in dividend income. Today is an extra special day because we've hit another huge milestone. The current value of my portfolio has skyrocketed, with significant strategic changes this month. Let's jump right into the November 2024 update. To start, here's a look at the current value of my portfolio. As of November, it stands at $245,361, showing a total profit of 13.1%, and my passive income percentage has now reached an impressive 37.88%. Moving on to portfolio changes, this month was all about optimizing for growth and income. I've made some significant adjustments. I parted ways with QYLD, XYLD, and RYLD, as their strategy of selling at the money options limited capital appreciation. I welcomed new additions like QQQI, SPYI, and IWMI, each offering a strategy with better growth prospects. I also added RSPA and QQA to my portfolio, along with more SVOL to diversify my investments further. I transitioned from TLTW and HYGW to FIAX, aiming for a more robust fixed income strategy. In my high-yield portfolio, I replaced the weekly Defiance ETFs, including QQQI, IWMY, and WDTE, with increased stakes in MSTY and TSLY, and took on a new position in PLTY, betting big on future gains from Tesla, Bitcoin, and AI technologies. I also expanded my REITs and BDCs portfolio with the addition of STAG, further strengthening my exposure to real estate. Lastly, I launched a new growth portfolio focused on long-term capital appreciation and added GRNY, a promising ETF by Tom Lee, which aligns perfectly with my strategy of capturing significant growth opportunities in innovative sectors. With that, let's dive into the performance of my portfolios for November, starting with the leverage portfolio. As a reminder, this portfolio is entirely funded through loans. The dividends from this portfolio cover my loan payments, and any surplus gets reinvested into my other portfolios. For November, TSLY paid out $989, NVDY brought in $468, Connie added $977, and MSTY contributed $2,045, bringing the total dividend income for this portfolio to $4,481. This resulted in a portfolio profit of 11.46% for the month. The performance not only covers the loan payments, but also allows for reinvestment into other portfolios. For a detailed breakdown of the leverage portfolio strategy and adjustments, check out the November update linked in the description below. Now, let's dive into the high-yield dividends portfolio, which focuses on stocks typically yielding over 20%. While this portfolio requires active management due to fluctuating dividends and potential NAV decay, it remains a crucial part of my overall strategy, fueling other portfolios and serving as collateral if my leverage portfolio falls short on covering loan payments. In November, the monthly payers contributed $621.91, with highlights from SPY-T, ULTI, GIAX, FEPI, and AIPI, delivering consistent performance. Meanwhile, the weekly payers, including YMAX, QQQI, YMAG, QDTE, IWMY, RDTE, XDTE, and WDTE, added $1,159.78, showcasing the steady flow of income from this segment of the portfolio. Altogether, the high-yield dividends portfolio generated a total income of $1,781.69 for November, with a total profit of 7.09%, underscoring its role as a cornerstone of my strategy. While the fluctuating nature of high-yield assets requires active monitoring, these payouts continue to support my reinvestments and long-term growth goals. Next up is the core portfolio, which is designed for stability and reliable income. This is where I park investments in ETFs that offer steady, predictable payouts, providing balance to the higher yield more volatile portfolios. In November, the core portfolio generated $449.01 in dividends. Contributions came from key holdings like JEPQ, SVOL, and SPYI, among others. This income highlights the stability and reliability of this segment of my portfolio, ensuring a consistent cash flow even in uncertain market conditions. With a total return of 12.68% for the month, the core portfolio continues to serve as the foundation of my long-term investment strategy. Next is the REITs and BDCs portfolio, which diversifies my holdings into real estate and business development companies. This portfolio is built for potential long-term growth and annual dividend increases, ensuring a consistent and reliable stream of passive income. In November, the portfolio generated a total dividend income of $54.03. Contributions came from O, which paid $26.28, and Main, which added $27.75. These steady payouts demonstrate the reliability of this portfolio in providing consistent income. With a total profit of 17.84%, the REITs and BDCs portfolio continues to serve as a key component of my long-term strategy. Lastly, we have the growth portfolio, which focuses on long-term capital appreciation rather than immediate dividend income. This portfolio is designed to capture substantial growth opportunities, complementing my income-focused strategies. In November, I started building a position in GRNY, a promising new ETF by Tom Lee, focused on growth opportunities. While it doesn't generate dividends, it balances my portfolio by targeting capital appreciation. November was a strong month, with my portfolios generating $6,811 in dividends after taxes and reaching a new balance record of $245,361 following November's growth. I'm optimistic about maintaining this momentum in the coming months as I reinvest every dollar earned. Each reinvested dividend brings me closer to financial freedom while driving further growth in my portfolio. To stay on top of my portfolio's performance, I rely on Snowball Analytics to seamlessly track all my portfolios in one place. It highlights my passive income alongside my net worth, keeps me updated on top gainers and losers, and even shows when my next payment will land. The holdings page offers a breakdown of total profit for each asset and in-depth performance analytics. With these tools, plus a vibrant community of investors, Snowball makes my investing journey smooth and efficient. You can register for free using the link below. And if you're already using Snowball Analytics and want a discount on premium features, use the promo code for a 10% discount. As always, make sure to do your own research and consult with a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. That wraps up the November update. What do you think of my strategy so far? Let me know your thoughts, suggestions, or dividend goals in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated. Let's keep moving forward on this journey to financial freedom together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Nim's Adventures to Financial Freedom.